Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about find my iPhone not working on your iPhone on iOS devices. Here you can see when I tap on find my iPhone, so find my iPhone is disabled, not working. So how can I fix this problem? So keep watching this video until the end. So guys, first of all, open setting application on your iPhone and make sure you have to stable internet connection, because stable internet connection required for iPhone. So after that, turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and turn back off. And third and last method is tap on face ID and passcode, enter your iPhone passcode or face ID, and here is scroll down, and here's a stolen device protection, tap on it. And so guys, when stolen device protection is on, find my iPhone stop working or gray out. So if you want to turn off, simply turn off stolen device protection, tap on start here. So after 60 minutes your stolen device protection has been turned off. When you stolen device protection turn off after 16 minutes, so when you tap on setting and tap on find my iPhone, and your find my iPhone will work after 16 minutes or after of the stolen device protection. So I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel.